Alright, welcome to the Freedom Unchained channel. I just wanted to do a really quick one for you guys about laws and legal. The difference. Government can't make laws, no matter what they say, no matter how they change the definition of law for you indoctrinated people to be manipulated. But no matter what they say, no matter what they do, they cannot make a law. Laws only come from the universe, from God. God only makes laws. Whatever you want to say God is, or the universe, or so on and so forth. But you can figure out this world using math, and you can figure out, the basic idea of laws, because you can't completely know what a law is, and only God, only the highest of highs, the all of knowing, knows exactly what a law truly is. You might be able to connect with source, connect with the Akasha records, or whatever you want to call them, and you might be able to figure out the closest to that law that any other soul or energy or being can actually understand what a law is. But not until you ascend through all the dimensions and become godlike will you ever actually understand what a law truly is. We can use mathematics and science and so on and so forth to get to our closest understanding as humans to what a law is, like the law of gravity. That is a expression of a law that Einstein. Is it Einstein or is it Edison? Edison? I don't remember. I don't really care, anyways. But one of those gentlemen expressed what they thought the law of gravity was, so they wrote down, law of gravity and blah blah blah. And mathematics, you can use mathematics to express what the closest you believe a law could be, like E equals MC squared. I hear it's not correct 100%, or there's some things about that. So it's expressing an idea of a law, but no man can actually create anything into the universe. They can take other elements and they can combine them and they can manifest other things, but they don't make laws. They can't change anything. So when a government says that we're gonna, write a law down and you're gonna have to obey it, you're just an indoctrinated idiot if you listen to that bullshit. That is called legal. All right, they write things down. They call it policy procedure. It's legal, not lawful. So stop buying into these propagandists, these criminal government organizations, the indoctrination camps, so on and so forth, when they start talking about laws and you're breaking certain laws, when in truth you're just breaking their policies and their procedures and their legislation, not their laws. They can't make laws. So I just kind of wanted to get that out there. If you guys like my content, this kind of expression of truth, you guys want to learn more about law, what law actually is, and the practice of law, because what people think court is, I'll have to break that one down too for people, because people don't know what a court is. They think it's a building, a little tiny building. People go in and they get turned over to the government for their punishment for their crimes that they committed, of the laws of the government. No, all right. So most crimes that the government says are crimes aren't crimes. Crime is only if you cause harm, injury, loss to somebody, or you attempt to do one of those things. But yeah, we'll get off track there. If you guys like to learn how to be free, please subscribe to the channel. Please comment on this video. Let's get a conversation started. Also, hit a like button. You can, if you're a troll, you can hit the down button. Go for it. Love me, my trolls. You always sharpen my sword. My words. And share this video around if you need to teach people what law actually is. Get them out of their indoctrinated minds, thinking whatever the government writes down is a law, which is not true. We already just covered that. So let me stop my ranting. And like always, I'm going to leave you guys in a love and light. One infinite creator. Peace.